Hello and welcome to I Love Trading. Today I got another comparison between my Canon M50 versus my iPhone X. Now I'm going to be recording both of these videos at 1080p at 60 frames per second. Also, I'm going to be using the built-in mic on both of these, so make sure you guys see the speaker icon. And I'm using this dual tripod holder right here, as you can see. So let's go ahead and get the business. Now, I also forgot to mention, but with my Canon M50, everything is set to automatic, and I'm using the kit lens, which is the 15 by 45 millimeter. So I'm going to go in some shade right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at here. Here's a sign here. I'm at the Arboretum right now. Moving a little bit closer. Let me go ahead and move back out. And I found something here. Let's go ahead and go in all the way close here. So both the devices are probably about 1 foot away right now. Let me go ahead and back out. I'm also going to do the zoom. I'll max zoom on both of these devices as well. And I'll show myself in 1 second too, but okay, so let's do this. Let me go ahead and zoom all the way in with my iPhone X first. Zoom all the way in. And now let me do the same thing with my M50 here. In and more. Okay, that's it. That's the max zoom for the M50. And let me go ahead and I'll start zooming out on the iPhone X here. Let me start zooming out here. Let me try to get them both in this. Let me try to get both of these in the same. So this kind of looks a little bit smaller in the iPhone X. Okay, so you can see the iPhone X there between the M50. Now let me go ahead and zoom all the way back out on the iPhone X, and that's it right there. And then for the Canon M50, I'm going to zoom all the way back out here. And now let me go ahead and flip this tripod over, and let me go ahead and flip over the viewfinder so I know what I'm looking at. Hopefully I'm in frame with the iPhone X here. I'm not even sure, but I'm going to walk through some shade here. I'm going to continue to talk. Hey, let's do this. So I'm under sunlight right now, and I'm getting ready to go into some like low light, some shade, some shading right now. Ready? Okay, I'm not sure with the iPhone X, but the M50 took a little bit to brighten it up. Let me show you that again. Ready? Okay, so I'm right here. My face is directly in the sun, and I'm getting ready to go into under the shade again. Ready? Let's do this. Wow, you can kind of see the M50 slowly brighten it up. Anyways, let's go ahead and let's go out into the sun here. Let's go over towards that tree. I'll go ahead and stand on it. Hopefully I don't fall in the water. Oh, that'd be freaking great, huh? You guys would freaking love that. Let me go ahead and you can see the lake behind me. Give you like a different angle here. Also take a look at the video stabilization too. Let me continue to walk a little bit. I'm about to enter some shade right now again. Here we go. You ready? Okay. Oh, can you guys see that? It's a duck right here. Hey, buddy. And continue to walk a little bit more here. I need to go back to my bag before somebody steals it. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think between these two. Is the M50 really that much better than an iPhone X? Let me know. I'll see you guys on the next one, all right? Thanks, guys. Bye. You can see I have my bag right here. I did a dual comparison phone video before in like somewhere in the mountains, and I left my bag. I probably like walked away maybe like 20 or 30 feet for like 3 minutes. I came back and someone stole it, and I had one of my iPhones in there. Anyways, all right, I'll see you guys. Bye.